Welcome to Ayush Bharat, an Indian platform of global Ayush specialists and global Ayush suppliers for a healthier life of its users. Ayush Bharat is dedicated to empower the Ayush specialist and make it accessible to everyone with a smartphone. Ayurveda or Ayush on the whole can make a significant impact on the world's health if it is successfully and properly implemented to make it accessible, and Ayush Bharat is trying positively for this. Ayush Bharat is a web and application platform strictly as per telemedicine practice guideline by Central Council of Indian Medicine, where Ayush specialists will be onboarded along with Ayush suppliers, thereby ensuring that the users get what they want for their personal aim towards a healthier lifestyle. The user shall be able to view the list of Ayush specialists, filter them on the basis of their location, experience, expertise to seek consultancy. Once the user has received the consultancy, he or she may purchase the products right from the same portal or app. Sitting at your home, Ayush consultant can give consultancy and the user can receive consultancy from world's best Ayush consultants, as well as get the products delivered at their door. Features: Ayush specialist will get after onboarding on Ayush Bharat. Consultant can invite patients to join the Ayush community. Can view or record patients' record anytime, anywhere. Consultant can share the app with patients and doctors. Consultant can generate e-prescriptions and store its format. Consultant get maintain personalized formulary, can schedule appointments, patients management facility. All mode of consultancy, text chat, audio chat and video chat are available. Transparent and secure payment gateway. Gain access to technology without having to develop for your own. Ability to stretch your practice beyond geographical boundaries. Ability to maintain documents or chat history on the platform. Ability to interact with fellow Ayush specialists across the globe and evolve with new ecosystem. Platform developed as per the Government of India CCIM telemedicine guidelines. Referral rewards, subscription-based premium plans. How Ayush Bharat is unique for Ayush specialist. Doctor can create separate fees for separate timings. Later hours fees can be kept higher. Doctor can select medicines from a database of 45,000 products, which the user can straight away add to shopping cart. Get onboarded on Global Ayush platform and give a new dimension to your services. Download Ayush Bharat application for Ayush specialists or search on Google Play Store or log in for more information www.ayushbharat.com.